book. The title of this book is Grumpy Bird. Have you ever felt grumpy? What is grumpy? Grumpy could be, what do you think this bird looks like? Is she happy? Is she sad? Or is she a little grumpy? A little bit upset, maybe a little bit angry. I wonder what this bird will do since he's feeling grumpy. So let's read Grumpy Bird by Tankard. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. Maybe something woke him up. Maybe he's not happy about something. I wonder what will happen next. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today, said Bird. He's not even flying. Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. We'll go together. I wonder if Bird would like that. Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. I can use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? It looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. And he followed him. How many people are following Bird now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 friends are following Bird. So altogether we have 3 and 1. How many animals are walking? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? What do you think he's going to say? I think you guessed it. Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking, guessed Beaver? I love walking. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. Bird walked. The other animals walked. How many animals are walking now? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the bird is 6. 6. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg. The other animals stood on one leg. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. And they did. Oh, what does it look like Bird is having for a snack? Worms. He's eating some yummy worms for a snack. I wonder if the other